Hello my favorite foodies! Today we're going to be making fall off the bone instant pot chicken wings. Okay, first we're going to start with the granulated onion, granulated garlic, some chicken bouillon, some paprika, and some dried Montreal chicken seasoning, and a cup of water. And there's the famous chicken wings. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and add the frozen chicken wings into your Instant Pot. Okay, we're going to start with the 1 cup of water into the Instant Pot. And now we're going to add the seasoning. There goes the chicken bouillon. Now the paprika. Now the granulated onion. Next is the granulated garlic. Now you want to go ahead and give it a quick stir. It's a little difficult since the wings are frozen still. Now we're going to go ahead and add the dry Montreal seasoning as well. Now we're going to go ahead and add the top to the Instant Pot, making sure it's secure. Now we're going to want to set the settings to meat stew setting, high pressure, and we're going to set the time for 15 minutes. It takes about 15 minutes to cook the wings frozen, and they are going to be fall off the bone. Let's make sure it is set to seal. 15 minutes are up. Now go ahead and let it vent. Open up your Instant Pot slowly to make sure you don't get any of that steam in your face. And voila! The chicken wings are finished. I am going to put them in the broiler just to give them a little bit of a crispy coating on top. Okay, now go ahead and use some tongs and place the chicken wings on a baking sheet. I have a rack on mine. You don't necessarily need a rack. You can just place it on a baking sheet. Okay, next I'm just going to brush on some melted butter over the top of the wings just to kind of help it, give it a little bit of a crunchiness to the top of the skin on the wings. Now I'm going to go ahead and add just a little bit more Johnny's seasoning salt. Okay, go ahead and place them back in the oven on broil for about 10 or 15 minutes or until they get nice and crispy brown. And here they are. Golden, crispy, juicy, delicious. And here they are, just the bone falls right out. So good. You guys have to try this recipe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more recipes just like this one. Happy eats, everyone!